Are smoothies a good way to lose weight? Absolutely! Protein-rich smoothies will keep you feeling full, so the cookie jar hunt during the morning will be avoided. Smoothies will give you lots of energy, so you will feel less likely to need something to perk you up. They help keep your digestion healthy, filling you with both insoluble and soluble fiber. They will also boost your nutrition, giving you lots of motivation to exercise and be more active. Hello everyone, welcome back to Farm Glow's Clinic. In this video, I'll be sharing with you high-protein smoothies so you can use for your weight loss journey. Also, I'll be sharing the ideal vegetables, fruits and nuts that can help you achieve your dream body. I know you cannot wait to find out, right? Please stay tuned on this video so you will learn more. Sometimes when you have no time to make high-protein meals, having a quick smoothie can contribute towards healthy eating and weight loss. You don't need to buy expensive protein smoothies or shakes with unnecessary packaging and waste. You can easily make this collection of high-protein smoothie recipes at home that are so good for you. How to make high-protein smoothies? Grab the best quality ingredients for your smoothies. Choosing organic is an excellent way to go, but not essential. The most important tip is always to use frozen fruits or vegetables or add ice. This will give you thick, icy smoothies that are refreshing and give you a mouthful of zing. Here's the formula for the perfect protein smoothie. Something thick: banana, frozen fruit, frozen vegetables, avocado. Something liquid: nut milk, coconut water, or filtered water are great. Some protein: nuts, seeds, protein powders will boost your smoothie. Some extras: spices, herbs, or other flavors to give you a zing. Important: you're gonna need a super whizzing blending machine. Best fruits to use for smoothies. There is a great collection of frozen fruits to choose from, so check out your freezer aisle in the shop. Some tasty choices are bananas for a thick and creamy base, pineapple and mango for some sweetness and vitamin C, fiber and potassium. Berries, such as blueberries and raspberries, will give your smoothies a boost of plant chemicals called anthocyanins, which help you to stay healthy. Kiwis are good for gut health and hydration. Best vegetables to use for smoothies: anything you like. Frozen is best to give you a refreshing smoothie that you will love, and here are some tasty ideas you can get at the grocery store. Spinach and kale for lots of iron. Avocado for healthy fats and creaminess. Broccoli for fiber and vitamin C. Cucumber and celery for hydration and something fresh. Tomatoes for beta, carotene and vitamin C. Examples of high-protein smoothies with their recipes: peanut butter banana smoothie, 31 grams of protein. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 scoop of protein powder, a few cubes of ice. Blueberry smoothie, 31 grams of protein. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup blueberries, a few cubes of ice, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, half teaspoon maple syrup, 1 scoop of protein powder. Matcha smoothie, 30 grams of protein. Ingredients: a few cubes of ice, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup unsweetened oat milk, 1 teaspoon of unsweetened matcha powder, 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 handful of fresh spinach, half teaspoon of honey. Mango smoothie, 30 grams of protein. Ingredients: 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of oat milk, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of water. Coconut strawberry smoothie, 27 grams of protein. Ingredients: 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 3/4 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, half cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of honey. This smoothie recipe collection will give you the best choice of flavor combinations that your body will just love. Just choose your favorites and rotate them to provide you with lots of variety that your gut health will enjoy. Whiz, whiz, whiz your way to a happy body. If you've watched to this point, comment down below which of the following recipes will you be trying out. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post more tips. Thanks, and see you in the next video.